Alright, are you ready to do your Christmas project?
Yeah!
Alright. So I've got some pom-poms here for you. There's some big Christmas pom-poms.
Yay!
And I'm going to pour them out, but try not to scatter them everywhere. And here's some little medium ones. I'm not going to get all these out because there's so many of them. Okay. And we're going to get the Christmas llama. He's got some Christmas colored thread on him. Okay.
Okay.
How big do you think you want your garland? Here's your needle. Now remember, needles are pokey on this side, so we want to try to avoid poking ourselves with that side.
Yeah.
How long do you think our garland should be? I'm thinking long enough for our TV. Or where do you think we should hang our garland?
Where we hang it always exactly.
Where?
On the parts that don't have a door.
Oh, like on the archways?
Yeah.
Kind of like I have now?
Look at all my beautiful golden. One. And pattern of goldens. Oh, okay, now let's do the red.
So I'm going to take it, I'm going to wrap it around like this. And then I'm going to pull this through, make a little slip knot. And that can be tightened or loosened depending on your, what is it called? Like your nail or whatever you're going to be hanging your garland on. And that's also going to serve as a knot to keep the pom-poms from coming off. Then I'm going to show you how to thread the needle, but if it, so I'm going to do it for you this first time, but if it comes off, you'll have to do it yourself again, okay? So I'm taking this end of the string, do you see?
Yes.
And then I'm going to find the hole of the needle. Okay, are you listening to me? Find the hole of the needle, and I'm going to put the thread through the hole and out like that.
Yes, and now I am going to separate the little ones away from the big ones.
Okay. Well, and then whenever you...
in a pattern.
Okay,
Red,
well, whenever you're
red,
ready.
Gold, and white.
Okay, look, so your pattern can go on here, like you're doing. So wait, you want red to go first, you said? So you're going to take your needle, okay, and you're going to thread it through the pom-pom, that, and then pull it all the way to the end. See, isn't that easy?
And then
you try.
red,
You do it.
I will poke a hole and pull it all the way through.
Yeah, good job. That looks really awesome, but yeah, you're right. We do have a lot of extra string. Here, I want you to scooch over here so everyone can see. Scooch over. There you go.
Hello, I'm back.
So now we can go ahead and take that needle off. Let's stick it in Mama's pincushion. Okay. We're gonna do another one of those slip knots. And now we can spread these out a little bit so they don't have to be scrunched up